Hi and welcome to NEO LMS Tutorial. My name is Alfie, and for today's video, I'm going to show to you how to create a certificate and use that certificate to award your students. So the applications that we need to use are the following. One is Microsoft Word. We also need to use Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. And of course, we need to access your NEO LMS portal. So let's start first with Microsoft Word. So we open Microsoft Word. Once we open Microsoft Word, we need to search for a template for certificate. So you may choose a template for your certificate.
Right, so we now have the template. So I have adjusted or edited some of the information here in the certificate. So what you need to do is to leave the portion of the name blank. And of course, for this part, after the successfully completed the course phrase, so leave it blank, and then date of completion, so you leave it blank. Now I did not include the name of the instructor or the name of the principal or any signatory for this case, because this is just an example, but you can include already in the certificate the signatories. So I know that some of you in your institutions have different admins or officials who would sign for the certificate. So what we need to do next is to say save. So we need to save this as, okay, let's say we save this on your computer. Okay, so let's save it in the on the desktop. Okay, so we need to save it as PDF file. Okay, so let's say we save it as a certificate of completion. Okay, and then save. So next thing that we need to do is to open the Adobe Acrobat. So we click Adobe Acrobat, and then we click File, and then Create, and then create a form. So now we're going to select a file. So we're going to open the file that we created earlier, so the PDF file, and then we click Start. So it will now convert into a form. So the next step is to edit the credentials here. Automatically the form will be created, so you need to change the codes here so that when we upload this form or this certificate, so it will automatically search for the name of the student, the course or the class, and then it will automatically generate the date when this certificate was awarded. So the code for the name, of course, we have full name. So what I did is I double clicked it and then typed in here full name, which is the code. Okay, and then that's it. Same as with class and then with awarded. Okay, and then we now save this form. Okay, So we can now save this. Yeah, let's just replace the existing one. Okay. The next step that we're going to do is to upload our certificate. So we need to go to our portal. So we need to go to the resources and then click add. And then we will see here the certificate. So we add that as a resource. So let's name this certificate. Let's say certificate of completion. Okay. Certificate of completion. Let's say class. And then the description, we need to type any description here. So let's say this is a certificate. And then we save it under a subject. So we need to remember the subject wherein we saved the file. So in this case, I will just save it to the subject other so that I can always remember where I saved my certificates or my templates. And then we can choose whether personal, organization, or school. If it is personal, so it's only you who can view the certificate. If it is organization, so anyone from your organization or from your department can see the template or they can use it as well. And if it is a school, so everyone in the let's say university or in your school can see the template or can use the template. So let's save now the template. Alright. And then we will upload the certificate that we have created. So we just click upload. So here we can see the fields that we can type into our certificate. So we used a while ago full name. We also used what else? Awarded. And we also used the class. Okay. And now we add the PDF certificate. Okay. And then we click browse. Okay. Right, there you go. And then we click upload. Alright, so once we upload the certificate, so it's there. So it is ready to use. Now that we have created your certificate, so we go to one of our subjects that we are teaching. We click or we hover the mouse to admin and then click completion. Right, and then here, so we go to completion action. Okay, so here I already have a certificate to be awarded to my students. So if let's say you would like to add another certificate, so you just click add. Okay, and then okay, awards, and then award certificate. So a while ago we have created the certificate, which is certificate of completion class. So we just click this and then okay, so we click save. So it is now added to the certificates that they will receive. Okay, so this is an option if you want your students to receive a certificate after they have completed the course or the class. Where else can we use the certificate? Or if we have created the certificate, how are we going to award the certificate? Okay, so we can also award the certificate manually a sample course. Okay. So we can also award our certificate manually, okay, by going to the students tab. Okay, so at the left bar you will see the students, and then click it, and then let's select a student, and then click award. Okay, and then we will click here certificate. Okay, and then we'll just choose the template that we have created. Okay, and then afterwards we click save. Okay, so the certificate is now awarded to the student. Okay, then let's check if the certificate was awarded to the student. Okay, so the awards will automatically appear at their profile. So here you would see here that there is the certificate of completion. Okay, so the course, yan. So we can click the arrow here to check. Now, to check if the certificate really reflects the correct name, the course, so we download the PDF here, the small icon. Okay, and there you go. So it automatically reflects the name of the student, okay, the course, and then the date of completion. Right, so there's no need for you to type each of the names of the students. It will automatically generate for you. So you have two options. One is to automatically adjust the settings of your completion. Second, you can manually upload the certificate or award the certificate at the end of, let's say, the semester, okay, to all of your students, and then automatically it will be like this. So you have other options on how you can edit your PDF. Okay, now there are other PDF applications that you can use. So I will be including that in the description box below, so that you can explore other options where you can create your PDF for your certificates. Okay, so and that's it for our video for today. So I hope that you learned something about how to create your own certificate. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell for more updates. We see each other again in the next NEO LMS tutorial. Bye and thank you.